Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Irish Buttermilk Soda Bread. This bread's texture is more dense than regular bread, and it's crisp on the outside and tender on the inside. It goes great with soups or stews. I'm excited to show you how I make this delicious soda bread, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a large bowl, I have placed 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I also added 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure to press on the baking soda as it tends to have lumps. Combine ingredients together with a fork or spatula. To the flour mixture, add 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Using your fingers, rub the flour with the butter until it's distributed evenly into the flour. Make a well in the center of the flour mixture. You will need 1½ cups of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, add 1½ tablespoons of vinegar or lemon juice to 1½ cups of milk. This is what I did since I don't have buttermilk. I have poured half of the buttermilk and I am gently going to incorporate the flour into the buttermilk. If the flour doesn't come together, then pour more buttermilk into the flour and mix. I poured all the buttermilk except for about 1/4 teaspoon of the buttermilk into the flour. Turn out the dough onto a floured surface. Knead it several times until the dough comes together like a ball. I've placed parchment paper on a baking sheet. Place ball of dough onto the parchment paper and then press down on the dough until it's about 1½ to 2 inches thick. Using a scissor or knife, cut across at the top. I am brushing the top with the 1/4 of buttermilk that I had left. This will give it a nice golden brown color to the crust. It's ready to go into the oven for 35 minutes at 375 degrees. The bread baked for exactly 35 minutes. The bread is done when you tap on it and it sounds hollow. Listen. Let the bread thoroughly cool on a wire rack. If you cut into it when it's hot, the bread will become gummy. This Irish buttermilk soda bread turned out delicious. Crisp on the outside and tender in the inside. This bread is best eaten on the day you bake it. Enjoy it with soup, stew, a dish of sausages and potatoes, or with butter and jam. Well guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.